Hello beautiful, I'm not naked. I have a blue top on, crop top. Anyway, how are you guys? How's the summer going so far? I haven't left my house, like to go to the beach, to go shopping, you know, just go for a walk and have an ice cream. I haven't left my house yet, but I love summer. I love being naked all the time around my house. I love not being cold. I love not having my feet freeze all the time. You know, I love summer. Anyway, let me know how are you guys doing so far. I know a lot of people is ready for the fall season, but can we just have a little bit more of summer? Cause I'm not ready yet. I feel like summers are so short now. It's like you blinked and it starts the raining season, and after that it comes the cold. Not loving that. Anyway, today I'm going to unbox the LookFantastic August box, and you know what's funny? You wanna know what's funny? It's still August when I'm unboxing this. Currently is August 20. Love that for me. It's so late. It's so late. I mean, it's not. It's summer. It's not late. You know, that's why I love summer, because it's still light at 9:20. I mean, not anymore, but it used to be so light and bright and sunny and beautiful at 9:30 p.m. Now is 8 and we still have the sun. I feel like the sun will set. Let me just, you know, this video is so random. I'm sorry. The sun will set at 20:49, so we still have 1 more hour of light. I mean, a little bit more than that, because when the sun sets, we will still have light. I love that. I love that. That's why I love summer. Oh my goodness. If you guys want to see what we got this month in this LookFantastic box, then keep on watching. I'm so sorry this video is so random. Anyway, should I do a little ASMR moment? Are you guys ready? It's coming. I feel it coming. I feel it coming, baby. Whew. Yes, honey. I don't know what's about that sound that it's so satisfying, because it can be annoying. This is how the box looks like. Oh my goodness, she's so beautiful. I don't want to show you my address, even though if you guys want to send me stuff, I don't have a PO box, whatever that is called. So if you guys want to send me stuff, just email me, okay? We can figure it out. So this is how the box looks like this month. Very colorful and bright and so playful. I love colors. Let's see you guys see that? You guys see that? We get the info card this month. Yeah, it says together we can do great things. And oh my god, that's so true, you guys. Subscribe to my channel and together we can do great things. I can do so many giveaways. Subscribe to my channel. Let your friends know about my YouTube videos, as Abel says. Abel, aka The Weeknd. Go tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. So, this month is called Togetherness. Let's get together again. Alrighty, we get again one of those bubble bath freezer. I do not own a bath tub, so I will send this to my sister. Oh my goodness. Can I eat this? So it says bath and body, bubble tea, bath and body. It says rhubarb and custard bath freezer, packed with the scents of tangy rhubarb and creamy custard. Indulge and relax with this sweet treat-inspired bath freezer. It smells so good, and it's not leaking or anything. It's just so potent. Caution, this product is for external use only. What do you mean? I was ready to taste this. No! Take your bath to new heights of relaxation and scent with the super sweet bubble tea bath freezer. I don't know why it's called freezer, like it's gonna freeze you. What? Moving on, we get another glove item, and I'm becoming way too familiar with this brand, LookFantastic. Can you guys switch it up, cause it gets a tiny little bit boring, because by now I feel like I own the entire line of this brand. They sent a lot of products from this brand, even though I don't use them all. I do use some of them, so yeah. Anyway, this is the Mask Remover Effortless Beauty. Innovative fiber technology removes cosmetics mask with water, so I cannot remove my makeup with this. It's only for, you know, like mud masks. It smells good, but why is it shaped like this? Anyway, it feels very nice. It says a polyester fiber cloth specially designed, that was my chair, to quickly and effectively remove product residue from the skin surface. Its fibers don't absorb any product, making the cloth easy to clean after use. That's exciting. And aren't rough on the skin, so don't cause any unnecessary irritation. I feel it very soft. Moving on, we have the Radiance Recovery 4C. Plumping collagen, calming chamomile, refreshing cucumber, firming vitamin C with peptides. So these are eye masks, and it's from the brand, I cannot read this, Skimono. Let's see what it says. A potent eye serum mask enriched with liposome technology to reduce the look of dark circles, fine lines, and puffiness. Okay. Used for an instantly brighter under eye area that feels refreshed and radiant. It has collagen, chamomile, cucumber, and vitamin C. I already said that. Radiance Recovery 4C. I don't know what that 4C stands for. To me, it sounds like a type of weapon. Anyway, as I said, I'm excited to try this one. Moving on, we have the Ahava Smoothing Body Lotion, which is this one. It says Superfood, Kale, and Turmeric. I also got a few products from this brand. I want to smell this so bad. It says a hydrating body lotion infused with superfoods, kale, and turmeric to moisturize skin and revive the senses. Okay. Its formula protects skin from premature aging, all while smoothing and deeply nourishing. I'm choking. Let's smell this. It's not sealed. Jesus. This smells like a vacation in Hawaii, maybe. And it smells like I'm on this spa, you know, thing, whatever those are called. But also, it smells like I'm having a piña colada and maybe some gummies. And I definitely have that white towel on me, that thick white towel that is expensive, and also that thing on my hair. Everything white. I'm doing nothing, just relaxing, enjoying my spa, smelling good, and living life. Oh my goodness. Can you imagine just being there right now and maybe watching the sunset? I'm such a dreamer. Anyway, moving on. I don't know what this really gets me there. Like, it smells so fresh. Moving on, we have two more products, and I know for sure that we have a Ciaté blush, cream blush. I was about to say liquid, but it's cream blush. So this is the Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. It's so tiny and so cute, so it's supposed to look like this. I love the color. This is not for sale, so obviously it's a sample. The shade is Matchmaker. I cannot read that. I'm so stupid. So tiny. It comes with instructions. Like the packaging is so cute, but because I have long nails, it's kinda hard for me to open it. You guys, it kinda looks the same, but it doesn't. Like in this picture is way more, I mean on camera it looks the same. No, in this picture it looks more fiery, bright orange, and in reality it's more like a toned rose tone. Why did I say cream blush? This is Illuminating Blush. I'm so sorry, you guys. So yeah, it looks like this. It's still cute, but it's not as bright as it looks in the picture. I feel like it's not coming on my brush, or maybe it's coming and I can see it. I'm gonna go for it, okay? Let's hope for the best. I mean, I'm wearing some type of highlight, but I'm not wearing any blush. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay. And I feel like I'm applying way too much. And I look like a clown. Like a happy clown, okay? Yeah, I definitely applied too much. I'm going to have to try it with no highlight under, because wow, on camera looks fire. It says warning and it has Romanian. Should I read this in Romanian? Let's do it. It says: fard de obraz iluminator rezistent. Pentru o culoare strălucitoare treceți pensula peste fardul de obraz și peste iluminator și aplicați direct pe pomeți. Wow! They say... Let me just read that in English real quick. It says, swirl the brush into both the blush and highlight like they were two separate things. Right? Anyway, so that's that. So yeah, let me know down below if you guys see a difference. I hope I'm not crazy. Moving on, we have one more product left. Eee, you are the lucky one. You guys get those DMs on Instagram. It says, you are the lucky winner. You won a iPhone, whatever. Or you are the chosen one. You little guy. You are the chosen one today. It says Filorga. Again, we are familiar with this brand. We did got this brand before. This is the Age Purify Intensive Serum. A one-of-a-kind age purifying serum that tackles both blemishes and wrinkles all at once. With its totally unique Filorga formula, this serum protects against external aggressors and reduces the appearance of imperfections. It has niacin, sweet almond oil, citric acid, and glycolic acid. Oh my god, this is powerful. If you have it and you want to use it during the day, please apply SPF, because niacin and glycolic acid can make your skin more sensitive to the sun, and you can get those dark spots. This is all we got in the August LookFantastic box. As I said, not very excited with this product selection. Please, expand the brands. Like, I feel like we are getting the same brands, the same products all over again, and it gets a little bit boring, LookFantastic. I know you guys are not watching my videos, but maybe someone from your team came across of this video, and I just want you to know that I'm complaining about the brand selection. Please switch it up, spice it up. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know down below if you guys got the same products. Just let me know. So yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.